In this tutorial, I will guide you how to create or sign up for DStv stream account. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now using your PC or mobile phone, just go to dstv.stream. Now I'll put this link on the description of this video. Now also click to that link to take you to this homepage here. That will tell you watch your DStv online, stream all your favorite TV shows, movies, live sports, and more. Now to create an account or sign up, simply select this button. It is written here, sign up. Now if you do have already an account, at the top right corner here, you can select sign in to sign in into account. But if you want to create an account, then select sign up. Now after selecting sign up, now this page will load and they will take you to this sign up form here. Now here you need to provide your email address. So let me provide my email address that I'm using. And then you can provide your mobile number that you're using. Then create a password, then put your password here. And then you can select create your MultiChoice ID. Now also select here create your MultiChoice ID. Now your account will be created. So I'm selecting here create your MultiChoice ID. Then after selecting that, your account will be created. Now if you do have a DStv account, you can just link it to your DStv stream here, or you can select find my perfect packages so that you can pay, or you can say watch for free, you can stream for free, enjoy a selection of channels and on demand titles for free. You can select it here. So that's how you can create your DStv stream account. It's very easy. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.